Well, hey everyone, thanks for visiting us this morning at arklatex I'm meteorologist Josh Marces with your Thursday morning forecast update, setting up to be a rainy day for us and likely going to see the rain for much of the day, especially across East Texas and Louisiana. It may come in a couple of different waves today, so make sure as you step out you have a jacket as we're looking at cool temperatures, and also an umbrella as it will come in handy if you're planning on spending any kind of time outside today. You can see on radar this morning most of the rain remains south of Interstate 30, but we'll likely see a little push of rain up to those locations, Texarkana and points to the north, a little bit later this morning and into the afternoon. We actually have a warm front and an area of low pressure just kind of driving all that rain up and across the region, but we're kind of looking back to the southwest where we'll likely see some more rain develop in Texas and kind of scoot across the Arklatex as we go through the day today. Temperatures pretty mild for us for early January, still cool out there. We're in the upper 40s and low 50s, but we're not dealing with any of the 30-degree temperatures that we've had for the past few days. And as we continue through the day, most of us will see highs in the upper 50s and low 60s, which actually will put this as the warmest day of the week, but still cool out there. So make sure you have a jacket, and likely looking at the rain again tapering off a bit later this afternoon, this evening, and coming to an end in most locations as we go overnight, but we'll still maintain just a very slight chance of seeing some rain as we go through the day tomorrow. Forecast highs today should be about 58 in Texarkana. I'll have to change that number right there. 60 in Shreveport and up to about 62 degrees in Natchitoches, and you can see the area of low pressure that's in northern Mexico, which continues to tilt not only the Gulf but the Pacific jet stream in our direction, so that's why we're seeing some of the rain this morning. Looking at your Robbins Toyota Futurecast, this is the HRRR model, which updates every hour, so it usually has a pretty good handle on things in the short term, and notice it does kind of dissipate some of the rain early, then brings a second wave in as we head into the afternoon and evening, and that will likely be the push of rain that does make its way up into the northern Arklatex, where rainfall accumulations will be a little bit lighter today, but also could see a few thunderstorms in here, but the severe weather threat will be off to the east of the Arklatex. You can see the line of storms over by the Mississippi River, bottom right-hand corner of the screen there. That's where the severe weather threat will play out today. So even though we may see one or two storms that bring some lightning, we are not expecting that we'll see anything as far as severe weather. And as a cold front makes its way in tonight, this should eventually shut the rainfall off for us. So as far as the latest rainfall projections, not many big changes from yesterday. Still looks like some areas could pick up inch or two of rain, and I would push those heavier, like maybe quarter to half inch totals a little bit further to the north. So I do think it's possible we could pick up maybe a half inch of rain in Texarkana if we do see that second push of rainfall this afternoon. And as far as tonight, temperatures will stay kind of mild again, 40s and low 50s for us, and we'll feel some of that cooler air through the overnights this weekend, but it should set up to be decent Friday. We'll have a little bit of a west breeze out there, so kind of a breezy Friday. We'll see some late day sunshine. I think the clouds will be kind of drifting through for much of the day, and as we head into the weekend, dry forecast, upper 50s Saturday, mid 60s Sunday. There is another front that will move through Monday night into early Tuesday morning, so we may see some rain during that time frame, but the daylight hours should be dry in most areas Monday and Tuesday, and you see the temperature drop. Not a big one, but we'll drop into the 50s once again behind that front through the middle of next week.